He's gonna invite us all to dinner and then
Or just like Venmo?
Man, that bit's gonna be sick.
So you're gonna use this one for the song, for the same song. Different song.
Like a more like a
A more aggressive.
yeah.
Okay.
Good drink. I'll take it.
Okay, okay. Now.
Oh, thank you.
Bye.
Did you like the classes of martial arts at all?
I took like a taekwondo for
You?
only like 2 months maybe.
Really?
No, I
2
took,
months.
I took like a couple of
Are
basic
you?
martial arts
Long as you
classes.
know.
I broke mine. But then I know
My
that I
birthday in
continue
America
taking
was
them
run by this
after,
fat white guy.
months later. Last semester. Last semester I was in
And I was like, you know,
South
something about this doesn't seem right.
But then I'm not doing it this semester
Where's
because I
the,
have
like-
classes at the same time. But maybe I'll do it next week. So, but actually my form is
How so you like
so I
you
can
send him
actually
to
Yes, how do I send? Do you have line
target
pay?
how
But like very basic. Like from,
I can go get cash too.
I did, okay, Taekwondo
Gauge
for a couple
how
months
to gauge
in
it.
Oh.
Germany, and
Yeah.
years then, Chinese, kickboxing.
你要去哪里啊？
Do I have to get cash?
要去哪里？
待会就撤啦。
回家？
对啊，应该回家喽。
你家住哪里啊？
戏子。对啊
What's how much do I owe you? I might have to go get cash.
2000.
2,000?
Yeah.
I gotta go to an ATM.
对啊，他可以寄给你吗
或者是可以汇款啊。
？Yeah，汇款。Yeah, send it to him.
Okay, how?
Wire.
You have the information. Give it to him.
Yeah, I have the
Where's my phone? Do you
information.
have my phone? We should be professional.
This is the start of it.
Promising.
And also your hair. Like
I'll give you,
hair
like-
is like really different. So it looks so cool. Looks really cool.
Is it online? How do I do this?
We all have great hair.
I'm not sure how to. Line transfer?
Yeah, line transfer.
Okay, I have to connect my card.
That was super fun. I'm super honestly.
Or you
I'm
use
really,
Line?
really
Oh wait, no. I'm doing.
proud of myself.
Okay, no, I got you.
We couldn't tell. If you didn't say that, then
Yeah. No, you guys are
You're
all
natural,
so.
you're natural.
You guys are all so good. Like that's crazy.
but like props to her because she did the passing by, slap.
No, but a good fighter is like how to train to become a good fighter on camera.
We took years of preparation for this moment.
But you can't even like change clothes. Like that's like your. You can't even change clothes.
Dude, that one was so hard. I literally fucked up my whole forehead after that one. That was so hard. Okay. Oh yeah, C transfer. So I'm going to pay for my US, so that's like 60. I think like $60.
What's it mean?
Because I'm doing for my United States account. So
Oh.
it's about, I guess it's like $64. Is that possible to do on?
How much?
The same place. Like we.
It says I could do
we prepared a
international.
song. We met through a different friend, and then we prepared.
Wait,
a
actually,
Or
song.
maybe we should add maybe the social media and let's do it at home.
Okay, you want to do
something
it
like
another time?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Not in a hurry.
Okay. All right. I'll
I just ask,
You have
or we,
Instagram? I can
we
type
can
it in.
add. Okay, Instagram.
Improv.
Improv.
You did improv?
Yeah, for a
He
while.
wasn't doing improv, was he?
No, but he was down there with Laura.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, Patty's a good friend of mine.
So wait, so you guys don't know each
Okay.
other?
Okay,
I just met her.
then I will message you.
We, yeah, we.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'll pay you like
I
tonight.
knew.
Okay, no problem. Awesome.
I need
Thank you so
Okay.
much, dude. That was great.
Yeah. So I need to go first. So I need to go. Yeah. Okay. I need to go. Yeah. Take care, everybody. Yeah.
You're gonna send a video to me and send it to me.
Yeah. Send it to you. Okay. Take care, everybody.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.
They're probably